The weird sound my smart doorbell keeps picking up at 3 a.m. I thought my new smart doorbell was just picking up neighborhood weirdness, like raccoons or late-night kids, until I started noticing the pattern. It wasn't loud, not like a bang or a screech, but this low, wet dragging sound, always starting exactly at 3:07 a.m. every single night for 3 weeks straight. I checked the settings, everything seemed normal, just picking up ambient noise from my front stoop. It was just a strange, persistent recording artifact until I started watching the time-lapse video playback. At 3:07 a.m., the feed would suddenly go completely black for a fraction of a second, and then the dragging sound would start up, almost like something heavy being pulled across rough concrete, but it sounded organic, like wet leather being scraped. I started disabling the motion detection just to see if it was linked to movement, and the sound still happened. It didn't care if the camera was pointing at the lawn or the empty driveway. Follow for part 2.